How to stop call recording in Android phone. Hello everybody. If you guys would like to stop call recording on Android, you may follow up these steps. So what you may do is you can locate and open up the phone app on your Android device, first of all, and then once you open it up, you will be finding this interface on your screen. Now you may tap on the three dots, the more options in the top right corner, and then select the settings option from the menu. And then once you select the option called settings, you can look out for options such as record calls, call recording, or similar terms and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you'll be finding option for auto record calls or automatic call recording, something like that. You can just go ahead, and if this option is turned on, you may turn it off by tapping on it and turn it off. And if you don't see this, you may need to check the settings for each contact individually to disable recording for them. Otherwise, some devices might have additional settings related to call recording. You can look out for that and stop your call recording in your Android device. And that is it. So if you'd like to stop your call recording in Android phone, you may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.